Hello everyone, this is Eddie from Six Production again. So today is the first episode of Cook for Mom Season 3. Wow, so fast, right? Ever since Season 1, 2018, then followed by Season 2 and Season 3. So what is Cook for Mom? So I can see we have, of course, not the father, the son and the mother. Alright, so basically he will be cooking something for the mom today. So it's a program that I crafted many years ago. Is to teach the young people how to cook a dish for their parents. So hopefully during the Mother's Day, they did not need to bring a mother to an expensive restaurant. It's just that I feel that it's always meaningful for their daughter or their son to cook something for their parents during this festive season. So I'll bring in my co-host for today, so she'll take over me to look at what they are cooking. Without ado, let's bring in my co-host, Kelly. So this is Kelly. So she's actually the girl from my last sales show called Project Cinderella. Hey, yeah, we have not introduced yourself. Hey, so yeah.
Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm 19 years old this year, and this is my mom.
Hi, I'm Patrina. I am forever 29.
Yes.
That's what I always tell him. I'm your sister when we go out, okay? Don't call me mom. Well, I'm so proud to have my son here today. And he's going to cook for me.
Are you looking forward to your...
Oh, of course, of course.
Really?
Yes.
Please don't burn down my kitchen. Alright, so that's it. We'll come back in a short while and when I start preparing how to cook for mom. And Kelly, of course, will take over. Alright, see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Okay, Ethan, let's see what your ingredients are.
Okay, so of course you have the pasta, which is gonna be penne, which is my favorite. And you have garlic, olive oil, and chili, which are the three main ingredients of Aglio Olio. And then I'm gonna be pan-searing scallops on the side as well.
Wow, scallops.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Yeah. I don't know, my mom uses chicken seasoned powder, which she puts it in. So I'm gonna be trying it too. Maybe that will make my dish work today. And then I think that's about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Mom?
Great. I love scallop. And it's honored to have my son cook for me. So I'm looking forward to the finishing.
Yes.
Awesome.
Great.
Let's get started. You have a special name for your dish?
Late night snack.
Late night snack.
Late night snack.
Alright.
That's what I'll call it. See, this is when I do it. It's this thick. I don't know if you can see it. This is when your mom does it, and this the right size. All right, sweet. Garlic's done. So pasta in the pot, which I need to fill this with water. Sweet.
5 minutes later.
Do you salt the water first, or do you?
You can throw that in first. Just a bit, just a bit.
Bit of oil too. Okay, that's good, right? And then pasta goes in.
The next day.
So the pasta's done. Actually, it's not like super soft yet, but I read on like a website where it's like it's still cooking, but even if you turn off the fire, so like you just let it sit for like a minute, and then you pour it out and put cold water.
Okay.
Okay, that should be good. Yes. I'll just scoop all this pasta out.
Nice. Step 2? What's step 2?
I think you'll be preparing the sauce. It's oil, it's just olive oil. It'll be going in here. So we're gonna need a lot more oil. Cover it.
A few minutes later. 5 minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right. This is starting to get like into a horror show, you know.
Thunder.
Okay. Oh, this is fun. I'm forgetting the recipe. Can I go on TikTok for a second?
Do you want this the chili?
Okay.
Sure. Do you add this? Not yet. You can freely speak, mother. Like.
Give me some tips.
Yes, please.
Before it turns, it burns.
No, it's supposed to be like golden brown, then you add stuff in, according to my sources. All right, it's looking great. Yes.
Okay, golden brown.
All right, let's try this.
No.
Oh yes, this will be my first taste test. It's just oil, right?
We will back another season.
Wow, you look like a
this one
expert
don't
at
work
the prep.
Yeah, I only know how to cook like scallops, and that's it. Alrighty. Would you guys like to try that one piece?
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Cheers.
Just fingers crossed. Is this satisfying?
Cut down on the salt.
Cut down on the
Yeah.
salt. As we were saying just now, the scallops are now the main thing. Guys, this is gonna be my dish. 3 scallop, 1 pasta, and 2 garlic chips. Alright.
Round of applause.
Yay! Well done, well done.
Good job, good job.
Why are your scallops so skinny?
They're too thick. No.
Have it very light. So there we have it. Salad with pasta, cooked for mom, episode 1. And we'll be back shortly because the mom will probably have to taste the pasta and of course we want to get that story. Right? So now we will actually go for a commercial break and this show is not possible if not the foreign sponsor. Okay, so we'll be back shortly. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye!
Welcome to Cook for Mom Season 3. Right now, we would like to introduce the following products that will be featured in our giveaway. For the month of May, there will be 2 winners for each episode. Firstly, we have Miracles in 21 Days Quantum Resonance Water and Nest Nutrition Shake that is worth $299 by wellness brand Aqua and Nest. Aqua and Nest products are formulated with science-backed ingredients and they believe in the 21-90 rule, which simply means that it takes 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to form a lifestyle. Using the energy activation resonance effect technology, quantum resonance water aids in promoting cell metabolism and increasing the effectiveness of your cell's absorption of oxygen and nutrients. In addition, you can develop and maintain muscle mass with the Nest Nutrition Shake, which includes main elements crucial protein that will help you feel more energized and less hungry. With this miracle in 21 days, mommy can remain pretty and young. Next, we have Kaze Hikaru, a Japanese beauty and wellness salon located in Goku Tower and Great Wall City. Both of our outlets are manned by beauticians who have acquired years of experience in beauty and wellness, and they will be giving Mommy a free treatment. Mommy can choose either the high-intensity focused ultrasound, also known as HIFU, worth $400, which is a non-invasive treatment that uses ultrasound energy to stimulate the production of collagen, leading to firmer and tighter skin. Or she can choose to pamper her body with a lymphatic drainage and detox massage, worth $188 to aid in the removal of toxins, relieve sinus, and to reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. Last but not least, you will also win a 1-to-1 anti-aging consultation and bottle of Inner Focus Collagen Plus, sponsored by our host who is also our anti-aging consultant. Simply follow the giveaway instructions by following, liking, and sharing our giveaway, and tell us how you wish to pamper your mom this year. Good luck, and may the best child win!
Okay, season 3 of Cook for My episode 1. So, the whole idea is that you're going to try it.
Oh yes. Thank you, son.
You're welcome. It was made with a lot of love. Maybe not a lot of skill, but a lot of love.
I'm enjoying my food.
Yes, that's great. As long as you enjoy it. The whole story behind it is, I am a very big fan of Aglio, right? So any Italian restaurant I go to, normally it will be this.
Right.
And then my mom recreates it at home, and she makes it in this exact way, but somehow hers tastes way nicer than mine. But when we moved there, and then we didn't know many like food spots, I would say, and like what's open at night. And then this is the fastest thing that she can make at night for me. So yeah, it's just like the story behind it is way more than like what it is, you know. Like it's simple, but the story behind it is way bigger.
So I will give him 9 upon 10.
Right.
9.
Yeah.
Nice. That's great. That's great.
From the pasta is well cooked.
Any story you want to ask about your son?
Well, he's a mischievous boy,
Can tell.
but he's always a good boy in my eyes. And I always love him.
I love you too, mother. But what makes you say I'm mischievous? I can tell.
I can smell.
I'm thankful that I have two beautiful children that go through the roller coaster with me in this as a single mom. So they have been strong, and I'm thankful that they are with me going through life, and they grow up good.
Yeah.
I'm lost of words. I want to say I love my children very much because I know they love me equally much. Thank you.
Oh, mother.
There we have it for season 3 of Cook for Mom, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys also like it.
Oh,
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah, thank you, sponsor. The show will not be possible if not for this sponsor. In the mom will also get something in return. And those viewers out there, okay, if you share and like, comments, you also walk away with the prizes below. I also have Kelly coming in to mention like what she's giving away. Because Kelly, apart from just a co-host, right, she also are giving away some of the prizes, right?
Oh, that's great.
Hey, come, Kelly, what are you giving away?
It's a collagen supplement.
Oh, that's so nice.
So this collagen supplement will help with soft tissues as well as skin, so you want to tonic skin.
Oh,
This is
thank
it.
you so
Yeah,
much.
so it's
Thank
an
you.
orange flavored collagen drink, and it's very good for skin plumpness and younger looking.
Okay. Thank you, Kelly.
No worries.
So there we have it. Okay, I need to wrap it up or else this show will be too long. It's like Korean drama. So thank you very much for watching, and of course thank you sponsor, and of course thank you to the mother and the son for coming down. Okay, bye. I'll see you next episode again.
Bye.
This is Eddie signing off from Six Production. Bye bye.
Happy Mother's Day.